What are the best uses for edge cups? An edge cup is one of my favorite all-around good cups. The edge cup can be used statically, meaning just left on the body to work its magic, or the cup can be used dynamically to treat a larger area or an area that has a lot more tightness and muscle knots. The great thing about the edge cup is that it comes in 4 different sizes. So I can use a smaller cup to treat the hands or the neck, and I can progressively use larger sizes to treat bigger areas. I love the edge cups because they have a very, very large cup that I use a lot of times to treat the glutes, to treat the hips, and to treat the front of the thigh and the back of the thigh. Edge cups have a wonderful, wonderful hand feel. They're soft and squishy enough that I can squish them with one hand and then place them on the body. And I don't have very, very large hands, so it just works well for me. I don't have very strong hands either, and so the edge cup works wonders. Just an all-around really, really good cup. My favorite way to use the edge cup is dynamically, and I literally find muscle knots and I go in and I just iron out the knots. It is super easy, super simple, and it works almost instantly.